Hi everyone, Amy here with Amy's Wares, and today I have a geometric thank you card to share, so let's jump right in. Now this is an older stencil from a Colorful Life Designs. It's called Target Practice, and I do have a coupon AMYFAN10, so if you shop, be sure to use that at checkout and you'll save 10% on your complete order. And I have a couple of green colors from Catherine Pooler. I have Spruce and I'm not sure what the other one is. I can't read it on the screen, but these are mini ink pads from Catherine Pooler, and I feel like these two greens together will pair perfectly with this cool Target Practice stencil and bring together an easy geometric card. So I am working on a Glassboard Studios craft mat. This is magnetized. You can see those magnets are very strong, but I'm going to use those to hold down everything while I ink blend. Here's a photo of the finished card to show you the direction that we're headed, but I was working directly on a card base. This is a 120-pound accent opaque. It is US size A2, so that's 4¼ inches by 5½, and I'm just doing the ink blending directly on the card base rather than working on a panel. I feel that this not only saves me in bulk, but it's less paper that I have to use, so it's more economic, and usually my preference when I'm able to do it. So I'm starting with the lighter of the two greens, and I'm kind of working at a diagonal. I'm going heavier handed in the center and lighter handed as I work outwards towards the two corners. And you will see in a moment I will take that darker spruce color and then just really amp up the richness of the color through that center as well. So I'm going to close this one up, pull out the darker color, and then again just use the same blending brush and go heavier handed with this deeper color in the center. So this is giving it some nice interest in terms of the color gradation here, and I will just work along the panel just to kind of finish the composition. I'm going to pull back the magnets when I'm done to reveal this gorgeous geometric design. Now I need to figure out how I want to finish the card, so I'm pulling out my sentiment binder. I actually have 3 binders now. I have one for my die cut sentiments, I have one for my sentiment strips, and I have one for my colored and die cut critters. So this is a way that I can really batch a bunch of cards or crank out a card quickly if I need to. So I decided to use this thank you. This is a Concord in 9th, and I will link all the products that I used in the video description box below. I do have some 1-inch foam tape here. I get this from scrapbook.com. This is my favorite roll foam tape, and I'm just kind of cutting it down to size just to make sure I get even dimension behind it so it doesn't get kind of crumpled in transit when it goes through the mail system. So I'm just kind of using my scissors to snip off little bits that work. Another option is you can use your die cut that you use to cut out the sentiment and cut out some foam sheets. You can either do adhesive back foam or just regular fun foam, and that will give you nice even dimension behind the entire die cut. But I just used this because I had it on hand and it didn't take too much time. So I'm putting this in the lower left corner, and then I will bring out some blingage to finish the card. I have these clear resin droplets. They end up looking like dewdrops, and they're so gorgeous. I'm obsessed with them and using them all the time lately. So I have some liquid glue and my jewel picker tool, and I have these in various different sizes, and I'm just going to put them in odd numbers on the card. So I have 3 on the one side, 2 on the other, and that's going to finish the design. So I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please hit the thumbs up and consider subscribing. Like I said, I will link all the products that I used in the video description box below. And if you do support this small woman-owned business in Texas called the Colorful Life Designs, be sure to use my coupon AMYFAN10 and you'll save on your complete order. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.